Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to print the even numbers by using a for loop in Java. So let's get started. So first we will be getting the number n from the user, which is going to be the term till which we will be printing the even numbers. So for that we will be using the scanner class. So first let's import it. So it's going to be import java.util.S. We will be having the scanner thing. Just import the scanner, don't import the entire util package. So after that, just come inside our main function. It's going to be capital S scanner input equal to new scanner. Within that, it's going to be system.in system. And the next line, it's going to be int n, which is going to be our number, equal to input dot next int. Don't give next line because this is of type integer. Next thing is going to be our for loop. So let me just have a temporary for loop, and after that I will show you the logic how we are going to make this work. So it's going to be for int I equal to 2, because even number starts from 2. 0 is a neutral number and 1 is an odd number, so the first starting number should be 2, and it's going to be I less than and equal to n I plus plus. So this is the template for the for loop. Now let me just have a print statement. Okay, so it's going to be sysout. I'll be having this and I'll just print I. Okay, and let me also just copy this thing and I'll just put here, and I'll just have something called as enter a number, just a prompt. Yeah, this is now good, and let me just now run the program. So I'm getting enter a number. Let me go with 10. So here you can see this time we are getting all the numbers printed from 2. We are getting 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is my input. Okay, this is irrelevant. This is the output. Okay, I'm getting all the numbers from 2 till 10, but we need only the even numbers, right? So for that, what we can do is we need to just enclose this print statement within a if condition. All right, so let me just have a if condition. If open curly brackets, just enclose the print within that, and what condition we will have here is that our variable I, which is the variable that we are printing and incrementing over here, if I modulus of 2 equality 0. Okay, so this modulus operator returns 0 if a number is absolutely divisible by any number. So let's suppose say that I'm having 10 modulus 2 is going to be 0 because 10 is absolutely divisible by 2. And in case if I just go here and do 10 modulus of 3, if that number is not divisible by 3, it will just give out the remainder. So in this case the remainder is going to be 1, because 9 is divisible by 3, extra is 1, so 1 is going to be the remainder. So this is what modulus operator does. If the number is divisible by this number, the number that we are dividing, we will be getting remainder as 0, and if the number is not divisible, we'll be getting the remainder itself. It just gives a remainder in like simple terms, just gives a remainder. Yeah, so what it means is that if the number is divisible by 2, it means that it's a even number, and even number divisible by 2 will give us the remainder 0. That's the condition that we are having over here. So if I save it and clear it, and if I run it again, enter a number, let me go with 15. So here you can see I'm getting all the even numbers over here. I hope you would have found this video useful. Do check the playlist of my channel. I've done a ton of Java tutorials, C, C++, Python, Node.js, React.js, MongoDB, MySQL queries. Check them out. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.